Now this is an ultrasound study of a 25 years old girl with the complaint of itching, diarrhea, vomiting for the last 5 days. And you see here, we see the intrahepatic bile ducts are dilated. These are the intrahepatic dilated bile ducts. And not only that, this is the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder, body of the gallbladder, neck of the gallbladder, and this is the fold of the gallbladder, the wall of the gallbladder. It's not thick. This is the intrahepatic bile duct ectasia. The liver is normal. And here we come across a tubular structure that you are seeing is the common bile duct. Now here again the common bile duct is dilated, and we can trace it up to the head of the pancreas. We can trace it up to the posterior inferior surface of the head of the pancreas. Here it is. Now, this is the pancreas, the head of the pancreas, this area, and this tiny cystic area that you are seeing is the duct, pancreatic duct. This is the head of the pancreas. This is the CBD. This vascular structure posterior to the CBD, this area is the portal vein. Okay, and this is the CBD. This is portal vein. Now, the CPD measures approximately 88.7 centimeter in length. If you give the length of the CPD to the surgeon, his life becomes easy, as he can make a proper decision as to how to approach in every patient. So the length is important for the surgeon. The maximum dilation of the common bile duct is 2.3 centimeters, and the minimum is 12.3 centimeters, whereas normal should not exceed more than 7 with intact gallbladder. Okay, so there you go. Now the gallbladder, the pancreas is transfer section. This is the pancreas in transfer section. Now what is this structure? This is the duct, pancreatic duct, that measures 2.53 millimeters and is mildly dilated. This is the body of the pancreas, this region. this is the superior mesenteric vein. This will be the splenic vein, the landmark for the identification of the pancreas. This is the duodenal, these are the duodenal gas shadows. This is the liver angle. एक लंबा सा लाइक बेटा सा रोक है, अंदर खिंच सा रोक है. Pancreas is normal in size, echogenicity, and the pancreatic head is normal. This is the aorta. This is the superior mesenteric artery arising from the aorta. This is the portal vein, and this is the head of the pancreas, this area, with a central cystic area that is representative of the mildly dilated pancreatic duct in transverse section. This is the pancreas in longitudinal section, and this is the head of the pancreas. This is the aorta. This is superior mesenteric artery arising from the aorta. This is the portal vein. This is the liver. These are all bowel gas shadows. Is normal in size. Procurolifurian. The kidney is okay. Right kidney is normal. So this is a case of obstructive jaundice in a 25-year-old female of benign cause. And I think the obstruction lies somewhere in the region of the duodenum, where the CBD enters the duodenum, because this is the common bile duct, dilated. This is the pancreas. This is the pancreatic duct. This is superior mesenteric artery. This is the aorta, and we can see that from here the common bile duct makes a curve, goes down. So this is anyway, from ultrasound point of view, appears to be a case of obstructive jaundice of benign cause, for which we will have to go through further investigations. Now there are a few cholesterol calculi seen fixed with the anterior wall of the gallbladder, giving comet-tailed artifact. This is the cholesterol calculus. We did not see the fundus of the gallbladder, and it's very important to see the fundus of the gallbladder in every case. Now this is the fundus of the gallbladder, almost total of the gallbladder. There are no calculi seen. And the fundus is clear. Thank you very much.